the University of the Future will be far more disaggregated than any of the models that we're seeing today.
It's about a student coming out with the skills to be able to keep them employed.
It will be wherever you want it to be. It will be where you are, not where the building is.
Now learning is everywhere, anytime, anywhere.
It'll be something that gets integrated into the experience of living.
The University of the Future is going to be something new and dynamic.
It's a powerful game changer.
The University of the Future will be radically personalized to the needs and preferences of each learner.
Easy to deal with, intuitive, an ongoing relationship that puts the right skills and training and help in front of me just before I know I need it.
The purpose of our Project Delta meeting these few days is to define a clean sheet design for a university that we see as meeting the emerging needs of learners and employers going forward. And we expect to be able to implement that design as a whole in some cases, but also to pick out elements of that design and apply them to existing institutions as they need them.
As a participant of this workshop, I think over the last day and a half, having a disruptive attitude towards education and doing things differently is what's struck me the most. And along with that are the opportunities that I see for Laureate, the network, to collaborate with one another, with over 75 institutions working together. I think that the possibilities are endless.
I've gotten a lot out of this, and I think one of the great ideas that went into creating this event was not just having people that are good at strategy or good at operations or talented, our most talented faculty and academics. I think the diversity of experiences and skill sets that we have represented, and the diversity of markets and institutions and student focus that we have represented has really brought.
The one thing that has touched me the most is that all of us in different colleges across the region or different campuses across the region are really grappling with the same issue. The fact that the student of tomorrow is different, and how can we service that student of tomorrow as effectively as possible, and how can we service the employer of tomorrow as effectively as possible.
I like to think this is my new Laureate family, people I can rely on in the future and ask for inspiration and help. We're all trying to solve the same problems, and we'll do that much more effectively if we do it together.
I think Project Delta is one of many interesting initiatives that are going on at Laureate. I think that it's important as we test many different potential solutions to be able to provide our students and employers with better solutions. I think that it recognizes the fact that there is a great opportunity that exists at Laureate, and that we need to invest more of our time and energy and capital into pursuing the opportunities that exist for change.